Service to others is the hallmark of American character and central to how we, as a nation, meet our challenges. AmeriCorps members and Senior Corps volunteers tackle very tough problems in the communities that they serve. As national service participants, they increase the impact of the organizations they serve through the direct service and by recruiting and mobilizing literally millions of additional volunteers. You know, you really don't hear about their stories on the nightly news, but every day they head out quietly and without fanfare to improve lives and strengthen communities, just like right here in Macomb. You have a look.
Hi, my name is Courtney Sherman, and I'm a returned Peace Corps volunteer, and I served in Uganda. Right now, I am a Peace Corps fellow studying health sciences in the graduate program. My graduate assistant is in the Peace Corps Programs Office in the Illinois Institute for Rural Affairs. Some projects that I'm working on include coordinating the Peace Corps Prep program for undergraduate students and promoting service on campus through AmeriCorps and Peace Corps opportunities. I also help look for service opportunities for AmeriCorps volunteers in our Peace Corps Fellows program. I serve because community is important, and I believe that everyone deserves a voice.
Hi, my name is Go Tayeng, or Gogo for short. When I was in the Peace Corps, I served in Lesotho, which is a country in Southern Africa. Currently, I am a Peace Corps Fellow at WIU studying Community and Economic Development. I also have the unique opportunity in being a graduate assistant with Genesis Gardens right here in Macomb. At Genesis Gardens, we are about sharing food, providing shelter, and empowering community. Because of the coronavirus, one of the big projects that we're working on right now is delivering groceries to families and individuals. It has been such an amazing opportunity to witness the Macomb community members and businesses come together to be able to provide this service. I serve because it's a natural response to a strong and caring community.
Hi, I'm Katie, and when I was a Peace Corps volunteer, I served in the Republic of Moldova. Now that I am a WIU Peace Corps Fellow, I serve over at McDonough County Emergency Services and Disaster Agency, or ESDA for short. Over at ESDA, we have had so many wonderful opportunities to reach McDonough County, including setting up a community alert system where people can receive weather and other safety information right at their phone or email. We've also helped long-term care facilities test out their emergency plans with a tabletop exercise. We are constantly updating plans on what to do in the event of an emergency to keep McDonough County as prepared as possible. I feel blessed to be an AmeriCorps volunteer because I feel like I get real-world work experience, all while giving back to my community.
Hi everybody, my name is Dorian, and I'm an AmeriCorps Vista here in the City of Macomb, serving as Community Resource Coordinator in City Hall. As a Community Resource Coordinator, my job is to provide a sustainable database for the various residents of Macomb to access that will provide them the information on our various resources here in the city, some including financial resources, food resources, career and educational resources, and even some self-help resources that we have in the city. What service means to me is being able to provide my time, knowledge, and effort into a project that will benefit the quality of life of various people within the city of Macomb, and just being able to work on something knowing that it's not just going to benefit one individual, but an entire group of people who will otherwise be better off by utilizing the resources that we can provide them. I just started serving as the Community Resource Coordinator in early February, and this is a year-long position, and I'm looking forward to seeing the various changes take place within the city of Macomb. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Benjamin Dibishi. I am a returning Peace Corps volunteer from Senegal, West Africa. Currently, I'm working with the McDonough County Health Department, where I focus on eye plan. I work as a liaison between providers, doctors, and the health department. I also work in a dental program, and besides that, I also work on my other assignment is with MRC, Medical Reserve Corps, where I help to recruit volunteers. So after working for a while in international settings, I thought it would be a good idea to come back home and focus and work on a grassroots level. So I wanted to give back to my community. I want to get things done, and I want to be that age of change, the change I want to see in the world. I want to bring back home and to see that reflect in my community. That's the reason why I serve. Thank you very much.
Hi, my name's Miranda, and I'm a returned Peace Corps volunteer from the Republic of Georgia. I'm a graduate student at WIU, and I'm part of the Peace Corps Fellows Program. This year, I've had the great opportunity to do my graduate assistantship with the City of Macomb's Office of Community Development, where, with collaboration with some great community partners and the amazing staff at City Hall, I've been able to focus on increasing community engagement, downtown revitalization, and economic development. This can be seen through some of the great programs and projects we've done this last year, such as Build a Better Blocks CAP Recycling Program, Soup and More with Genesis Garden, and some great downtown events like Moon Over Macomb and Dickens on the Square. I serve because it allows me to strengthen my relationships with fellow community members. Thanks for the great memories this past year, Macomb. I look forward to making many more with you.
And that's why I'm proud to take this opportunity to join the nationwide salute to highlight the importance of citizen engagement, recognize the dedication of our national service members, and inspire more residents to get involved in their community. So if you allow me, I'd like to issue the following proclamation. Whereas service to others is the hallmark of American character and central to how we meet our challenges, and the nation's elected leaders are increasingly turning to national service and volunteerism as a cost-effective strategy to meet community needs. And whereas AmeriCorps and Senior Corps participants address the most pressing challenges facing our communities, from educating students for the jobs of the 21st century and supporting veterans, as well as military families, to provide health services and helping communities respond to natural disasters. And whereas national service expands economic opportunity by creating more sustainable, resilient communities and providing education, career skills, and leadership abilities for those who serve. And whereas AmeriCorps and Senior Corps participants serve in more than 50,000 locations across the United States, bolstering the civic, neighborhood, and faith-based organizations that are so vital to our economic and social well-being. And whereas national service participants increase the impact of the organizations they serve, both through direct service and by managing millions of additional volunteers. And whereas national service represents a unique public-private partnership that invests in community solutions and leverages non-federal resources to strengthen community impact and increase the return on taxpayer dollars. And whereas national service participants demonstrate commitment, dedication, and patriotism by making an intensive commitment to service, a commitment that remains with them in their future endeavors. And whereas the Corporation for National and Community Service shares a priority with local leaders nationwide to engage citizens, improve lives, and strengthen communities, and is joining with the National League of Cities, the National Association of Counties, Cities of Service, and local leaders across the country for National Service Day recognition on April 7th, 2020. So now, therefore, I, Michael J. Inman, Mayor of the City of Macomb, Illinois, do hereby proclaim today, April 7th, 2020, National Service Recognition Day, and I encourage residents to recognize the positive impact of national service in our community and take the opportunity to thank those who serve and to find ways to give back to their communities as well.